Visionaries, welcome back, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe, and I hope you enjoy today's video. Excuse me. Visionaries, welcome back for another video, and I'm sure you're probably wondering why I'm eating during this video a fudge cookie. Are so delicious, but it's not an endorsement for any products. I just wanted to let you guys know that I started a food channel. So if you guys enjoy food, please take a visit over to my food channel. I'll link it up above and down below too. It's called Venus Eats. So that's going to be my second channel in addition to this channel. So yes, do please continue to tune in here for Merch by Amazon entrepreneurship type videos. But also, if you love food, please do subscribe over there. The channel is growing pretty fast, almost at 100 subscribers over there. So if you're not currently a subscriber, please do subscribe. And now I'm going to jump in to the content of today's video, which are my merch earnings for June. So let's take a look. So guys, as you can see, I had decent earnings for June. I came in at 182 sales for the month, a little bit over $1,000, so $1,031.03. That's less than my May earnings, which were at about $1,300. It's still pretty good sales, very regular sales for me. So I'm definitely happy with the sales that I'm getting thus far. In terms of the products that I have up now, I have a little bit less than 1,800 products up. A lot of my products definitely took some of my inventory out because they were older shirts and they weren't going to be renewed in general. So they have been up for a while and up for renewal. So the inventory that I have now, I'm probably going to concentrate some time on getting maybe 100 or 200 shirts up in the next couple of weeks. And so at some point I will max out my 2,000 slots. But generally the shirts that are up right now, they're doing pretty well in terms of sales. And you can see in the next slide as well that my earnings per shirt is continuing to increase as well, and that's because of the newer shirts that I'm putting up, especially the ones in tank top styles, and others are I'm setting the price higher than $5 to about $7 to $9 per shirt. So as you can see, I'm surpassing the 100 or so sales a month, close to 200 sales a month. And at $8-9 a shirt, there you go. So I don't anticipate my sales going any lower than 1,000 a month, but we'll see, especially coming up on Q2, so the second quarter, or Q3, the third quarter of the year. So we'll see how things continue to fare. Diving into a little bit deeper detail, as you can see, my overall sales is at $1,619, and that is coming out to about $7,000 in royalties over the time that I've been on Merch by Amazon. The royalties per sale, as I mentioned a little bit earlier, is about $4.54 in royalties per sale. So it's continuing to increase. My first year on Amazon, my royalties per sale was more at about $2.50 or so. And my pricing strategy, as I mentioned before, you guys, was starting the item off at the lowest possible price, making $0 per sale, and then boosting it up from there. But then after I started getting away from that pricing strategy, my sales have continued to grow, and the royalties per sale have continued to grow as well. So if you're starting out or have been on Merch by Amazon a while, getting some sales under your belt, I encourage you to definitely focus on revamping your pricing strategy if you are going low to high that way. I now set my pricing at $19.99 to begin with, and then go up from there. And as I was mentioning, for some of my more popular shirts, if I'm making variations of those shirts, meaning putting that design on various other sizes, I'm going premium pricing with those, and I'm still having very regular sales. One shirt that I've put up in the last 3 months has sold more than 200 times already, and if you calculate that times the $9, $8 in royalties per sale, that's a pretty good chunk of money. So if you find that you are having success, you're in a niche that's not oversaturated, or at least you have great prominence in coming up at the top of search, I would encourage you to definitely stay competitive with the niche, but kind of carve out your own where you can, especially if you start to get reviews on your shirts. So this was a pretty quick video this week, but wanted to show you guys what my earnings were, and I look forward to hearing more from you guys and commenting below and letting me know what your current level, your tier level is, and what your sales have been. What are you experiencing? It helps me to know what content to craft for you guys. And until next time, take a look at some of the other videos I have. I'm sure there's content that you have not seen yet, so I appreciate that. And until next time, be well and peace, family.